Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama out here in the aviary with the little birds. Happy leap year! Happy leap day! We're leaping with little frogs. Oh boy. Anyway, we're all out here in the aviary. We found some new seed treats. It's got little fruits and veggies mixed in and some mealworms. They seem to be enjoying that. There's some grains and peanuts and whole sunflowers. So far, I think they're really enjoying it. We also have our lettuce and dandelion and some blueberries. All out of blackberries today, so they'll have to suffice with the blueberries. Had some really nice weather the last few days. Today it ended up being a little overcast and gray, a little cold. Even tried to snow for a couple minutes. That didn't last too long. Looks like we're all doing well. I think everyone still has bands on. At least all the boys. I didn't band the girls. Oh, there's a boy without a band. Spoke too soon. It's the littler guys that are kicking them off. Looks like no. Pumpkin still has his. Little boy Blue still has his. Bart's still wearing his band. It's that yellow one. He keeps kicking it off, but then I think he's probably the smallest boy of the bunch too. We're pretty darn close. Poppy's over here going kind of nuts. He wants to be in with his ladies. Got BB and George running around out there. Anyway, right now it's a pretty nice day. Actually, it's about 45 degrees. Pretty nice, actually. They sure like those dandelion greens. I think next weekend, when I actually have 2 days in a row, is when I'm going to move the hutch and move some birds around. Hopefully we'll have nice weather that day, or those days. I'm not sure if that little boy back there is feeling too good. That's Pumpkin. He's got an eye closed. Uh-oh. Probably been getting picked on. Doesn't look like he's lost the eye, but... I don't think he feels too good. Hope we're not going to lose him. Oh, there's the eye. It's open now. Probably getting picked on. We've had a couple nicer days out, so I gotta hurry up and get these guys separated before anybody gets too damaged. How'd you like that big full moon? Boy, I sure chased it around for a couple of days. Out late taking pictures at the reservoir, and then up early the next day taking pictures around town. That was a lot of fun. Then we've been having some solar flares, and the other night I thought it was a little strange. There was a lot of geese in the air after dark. And my birds, the quail here, they were singing late into the night, which is kind of unusual for them. And it seemed like the dogs in the neighborhood were a little noisier than usual. And then the next morning, feels like my house is on the water. That was an interesting feeling. Haven't been in an earthquake since the one for Battle of the Bay in San Francisco. That was fun. Oh boy. I didn't suffer any damage, but a lot of other people did, so. But this latest one, I guess was centered near Smith's Ferry, and they must have had close to 20 aftershocks for hours afterwards. Be interesting to know what's going on up there. It looked like Stanley and Chalice were also rocking and rolling, but most of those little quakes were under 3. Anyway, I hope we don't see a whole lot more activity. Earthquakes can be so damaging. But not this one. We all did real well. Though the folks up in Smith's Ferry might be feeling a little queasy. I hope everybody up there is doing good. I hope all my viewers are doing well. Thank you so much for spending time with us, for watching the Little Birds and the other silly little videos I put together. I hope you enjoy BB Cat and Georgie. And if you like our content, please give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, we always enjoy the comments. We get some fun ones. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for watching. We sure enjoy you. I hope you enjoy our videos also. Anyway, um, have a great night. Bye for now.